Hello, language learners. Welcome to the IELTS Secrets podcast, your ultimate guide to mastering the English language and conquering the IELTS exam. I'm your host, Neil, an English instructor from the picturesque landscapes of New Zealand, here to unlock the secrets to success in speaking and writing. Today, we're delving into the topic, describe an accident or injury that has happened to you. Here is our first part, when and where it happened. As you embark on recounting a significant event from your life, it's crucial to establish the context by detailing when and where it occurred. Our structured template provides a solid foundation for organizing your response. Here is our template. Regretfully, I faced, and here you should briefly describe the accident or injury, and then which occurred, and then mention when and where it happened. Here is our second part of the cue card, how it happened. Now, let's unravel the sequence of events that led to the incident. Using our template, you can articulate the factors that contributed to the accident in a clear and coherent manner. Here's our template. One of the reasons for the accident was, and then here you should explain the initial cause. Next, the second reason was, and here you should describe another contributing factor. Now let's focus on the next aspect of the cue card, what happened afterwards. Following the event, it's essential to narrate the aftermath and its applications. Our template guides you in recounting the series of events that happened after the accident. Here's our template. Thankfully, I was rescued by, and then describe who helps you. I might have, or I could have, and then mention a potential outcome if, and here, explain what could have happened if you hadn't been rescued. And here's our last aspect of the cue card, and explain how you felt about it. Finally, let's explore the emotional impact of the experience. Expressing your feelings allows you to connect with your IELTS examiner and convey the significance of the event in your life. Here's our template. I was totally, and then describe your initial feeling, because, and then explain why you felt that way. In addition, I was feeling that, and then describe another emotion you experienced. Now, let's listen to a Ben 9 speaking response based on all the templates above.
Describe an accident or injury that has happened to you. You should say when and where it happened, how it happened, what happened afterwards, and explain how you felt about it.
Regretfully, I faced a frightening skiing accident which occurred during a winter vacation in Queenstown, New Zealand. One of the reasons for the accident was my lack of experience in navigating challenging slopes. The second reason was the icy conditions, which made the slope particularly treacherous. Thankfully, I was rescued by a ski patrol team who swiftly arrived at the scene. I might have suffered more severe injuries if they hadn't reached me in time to provide medical assistance and transport me safely down the mountain. I was totally shaken because the accident happened so suddenly, and I was feeling a mixture of fear and relief afterwards.
There you have it, language learners. By using structured templates like the ones provided, you can effectively narrate personal experiences and impress the IELTS examiner with your speaking skills. Keep practicing and remember to stay confident in your abilities. Until next time, happy studying.